Digital transformation and e-learning is awesome. It's the way of the future, but sometimes there's just no substitute for classroom training. This video will show you how to create classroom courses directly in LMS365. Let's start on our main administration page. Click the plus sign to create a new course and pick Classroom and Blended Training. This brings up the course creation page. Pick a name, description, and a category for the course. Then you can set up a minimum attendance requirement for this course. We'll require 100% attendance. And just like that, we're all set. Click Create. Now we're going to create a new session for our course. That way, we'll plan when and where the course will take place. To do this, click on your newly created course. Go to Manage Course Sessions and click Create New Course Session. Choose your preferred time for the session. And don't forget to pick the correct time zone. I'll set my max attendees to 20. Type in the name of the room or click on Select to see the available rooms. I'd also like to enroll a specific audience to this course. In the Learners box, I'll search and add these learners to the course. They'll all receive an invitation directly to their Outlook calendar. Just hit Create and you're done. Before we wrap it up, let's go back and track attendance, which is really easy to do. We find our course, click on it to open the panel, and then click Register Attendance. With this, you can register and track all of your attendees. That's it. Thanks for tuning in.